In today's video, we are going to show you how to protect your Apple Wallet by locking your device remotely and suspending Apple Pay. The process only takes a few minutes and can help keep your payment card safe. Let's begin. You can simply hover on your Apple settings and then scroll down until you find the Apple Wallet. Now you will notice that you have the option to click the lock wallet, and all I have to do is press that button, and of course it would require your Face ID or your passcode to open that wallet. Because doing so is the fastest way to secure your Apple Wallet if your phone goes missing. Because from there, nobody can use your payment cards from that device until you unlock it. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can lock and protect your Apple Wallet using Apple's built-in security features. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.